Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Monday.com tasks. Monday.com is a work operating system that helps teams manage their work and collaborate more effectively. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to create and manage tasks on Monday.com. First, let's start with the basics. A task in Monday.com is a single item of work that needs to be completed. To create a new task, navigate to your Monday.com board and click on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a new task window where you can enter the task details. Next, enter a clear and descriptive title for your task. This will help you and your team understand what the task is about. You can also add a description to provide more context and details about the task. Now, let's talk about task assignments. To assign a task to a team member, click on the Assignee field and select the team member from the drop-down list. You can also add multiple assignees to a task if needed. Another important aspect of task management is due dates. To set a due date for a task, click on the Due Date field and select the date from the calendar. You can also set reminders and notifications to ensure that the task is completed on time. In addition to task assignments and due dates, Monday.com also allows you to add tags and priorities to your tasks. Tags help you categorize and filter tasks, while priorities help you focus on the most important tasks first. To add a tag to a task, click on the Tag field and select the relevant tag from the drop-down list. You can also create new tags by typing in the tag name and pressing Enter. To set a priority for a task, click on the Priority field and select the relevant priority level. Monday.com allows you to set priorities as low, medium, or high. Once you have created and assigned a task, you can track its progress and update its status. To update the task status, click on the Status field and select the relevant status from the drop-down list. Finally, let's talk about best practices for using Monday.com tasks. To get the most out of Monday.com, make sure to create clear and descriptive task titles, assign tasks to the right team members, and set realistic due dates. You should also use tags and priorities to categorize and focus on the most important tasks. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Monday.com tasks to streamline your workflow, collaborate with your team, and achieve your goals. Remember to keep your tasks up to date and use the reporting features to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. With Monday.com, you can take your task management to the next level and achieve greater productivity and success.